Hey Google, what's the date today?
It's Sunday, May 3rd, 2020.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Today's Sunday, May 3rd, 2020. We are on lockdown because of this whole pandemic due to the COVID-19. I have not worked for more than a month, but we are all good. So in today's full day of eating, I'm going to show you guys what I eat after a tummy tuck. I am 5 months post-op this month in May. So for breakfast this morning, I had 4 rice cakes, my cup of coffee, also an almond milk, and then I had a cup of this guy, which is obviously done. I also took a spoonful of my roommate's Smucker's apricot jam. So that is breakfast number 1. It's just breakfast, not number 1. All right, I'll see you guys in the next meal. So it's 12 o'clock. I'm gonna have a snack. I'm gonna have 2 hard-boiled eggs, and back there, if you guys can see, I filled up my cup with a cup of almond milk that I showed you guys earlier, and the rest of my coffee. So I made it basically into an iced coffee, and that's all I've been having so far. My favorite one is the Kirkland almond milk. It's so good. Anyways, that is my snack. All right, so as you guys can see in the back, those are my egg crumbles. Ate half of that, and I had about 7 shrimps. I am a pescatarian, so that is what I ate besides the 2 hard-boiled eggs. And the condiments I use is this salsa is amazing, and you guys can find this at Smart and Final. Here's another snack. So it's 2 rice cakes, 2 of these guys with a little bit more of the apricot jam with everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. And I'll pop a picture on the side so you guys can see. So this is my snack, and still sipping on my coffee because coffee is life. Okay, so it's about 3:30. I haven't had anything to eat since my last snack. I just stopped at Sprouts and I bought a few stuff. So if you guys can see, this is the elderberry. This helps for the immune, and this is a syrup, so I'm going to be taking 2 tablespoons, and the suggested is taking 2 tablespoons 4 times a day, if that makes sense. I'm also doing the Ethan's Daily Detox apple cider vinegar. These were $1.59 on sale because they're going to be discontinued. And I'm just going to go ahead and snack on a few of the tropical fruit trail mix. I'm trying not to do extra sugar for the month of May, but I'm going to just do a few of these. Here's what I'm having pre-dinner. There's some shrimp, zucchini, Trader Joe's microwave rice. Trying to film them. Trader Joe's microwave rice.
That one is amazing.
Condiment is classic Dior mustard. Some salsa. And they went to Wendy's, and I like the barbecue sauce there. And this is my choice of drink. So this is dinner. This is what I have left. I'm not going to finish this. This is going to be for later. So I'm going to show you guys my dessert. Perfectly boiled shrimp. So I have some seeds that I bought earlier, and inside I put some raisins. So I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna have 2 of these, and that is my dessert. Still sipping on that. Another snack. I just got this today at Sprouts, so I'm gonna do Sprouts with a rice cake, sprinkle a little bit of sunflower seeds, and it's pretty good. Better alternative. So it is about 8:30 or so. I here in front of my lights because I just finished filming another video for you guys, which is my Instagram Q&A, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm currently gonna snack on. Today has been a really hard day. I haven't been feeling good, so my appetite's not the best, but let me show you guys what I'm gonna be snacking on again. Basically the same snack I had earlier, and I'm just gonna have a little bit of, well, the lighting's better this way. So I'm also gonna have a little bit of this dark chocolate. You can see it with 70% dark chocolate. And then I also got this at Sprouts, which is the elderberry. So it is just like the syrup that I had earlier. I'm going to be sipping on my water and still from the coffee I had this morning. So that is my next snack. Hi, future me. Closing out this video because I forgot to do an outro. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to follow me on my social media where I post every single day on my Insta stories. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this new I don't know, full day of eating after my tummy tuck, because I am currently 5 months post-op and a lot of my eating habits have changed. I had a lot to cut a lot of things out just because my tummy is not agree with it. I don't know if it's because like my insides are, I don't know, trying to recuperate, but my doctor didn't work on my organs, so we'll see how it is in the future. Anyways, good vibes from my heart to yours.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.